Today, I want to show you a practical way to use the new Gemini Gem feature. Specifically, I have created an agent called LBSocial TA to show you how it can help professors answer student emails much faster. Let me show you an example. So here, this is an email from a demo student. They are asking how to collect tweets. And we can see here, those are the generic AI response. Those are not helpful. And fortunately, we have this LBSocial TA, which is connected to our knowledge database and also knows the course materials. So let's ask our TA to address this email. So let's say reply to this email with clear steps. Because it is connected to our internal knowledge database, it drafts a reply using our methods. And it is accurate, helpful, and I can send this one to the students directly. So I can just go to insert. You can see that it listed all the steps like get the APIs, set up the cloud environment, set up the storage, write the code, and now store the collected tweets. So it's very nice, and just hit and send. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to build this from scratch. First, go to your Gemini interface. And here is some good news. So you can generate custom gems even on the free plan. However, there is one important catch. You can build the gem and also use it here in the web interface to draft emails and also copy and paste if you use a free plan. If you want to access this gem directly inside your Gmail or your Google Workspace sidebar to reply without leaving your inbox, you do need a paid Google AI Pro plan or a Workspace plan. All right, so let's go ahead. So to start, you can go to this gem manager and also create this new gem button. And next, we're going to give it a name. So I'm going to just call it LBSocial TA demo. The descriptions are for the humans, so tell them what it does. So for example, we're going to call it a helper for the social data analytics course. Next, instructions. And this is for AI. Here we tell Gemini that you're a professional teaching assistant helping educators and students understand social data science. We also want to emphasize that always use information from the attached knowledge database to answer questions, so that can reduce hallucinations. We can also use Gemini to rewrite its instructions, so that will be more clear and also more specific. All right, so this is AI generated instructions, purpose and goals. We also have the behaviors and also rules. And finally, so it is professional and also academic and also supportive. All right. And now here is where Gemini is different from building a custom ChatGPT. So in Gemini, you can select the default Google tools. So for example, if you want to generate videos, images, or conduct a deep research. So here I'm going to choose the guided learning, which I think is perfect for our teaching assistant. The second difference is the knowledge database. In our previous videos, I showed you that how to create a knowledge database using NotebookLM. And today, I'm going to attach that exact notebook. And this is one that from our YouTube videos. And this is a huge difference compared to ChatGPT. So when you upload a file to ChatGPT, that file normally is a private static document. And however, when you upload your NotebookLM as your knowledge database, you have to make sure that your notebook is public. Otherwise, when students ask questions, they will not give you response based on your knowledge database. And also keep in mind that if you make your notebook public, students or any other users can actually access your notebook. Okay, so that's it. And once you attach your knowledge database, and we can just go ahead and also click save. So now your gem is live. You have two ways to share it. If I click the share button, you can share this one with emails to your colleagues so that they can embed those Gemini TA in their Gmail, or you can just open this as a public URL. So here I'm going to open this one with a public URL. You can also set the permissions either as viewers or editors. So I will keep as viewers. And now I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to click down. And now I switch to a free Gmail account. So here I just open that URLs and you can see it is default the guided learning tools. And for student, they can just simply ask a question. So for example, what is code spaces? And now we can see the TA response. So GitHub Codespace is cloud-based development environment And they also provided the resources. If I click those resources, I'll be able to see that the NotebookLM that shared behind this teaching assistant. As I said earlier, if students click those resources, and they will be able to access a notebook. All right, so to recap, what we have built here is not just another AI chatbot. By creating a custom Gemini app and grounding it in our own materials, we give Gemini context. And that's why the responses are more accurate, more relevant, and also more useful. For faculty, this reduces writing emails and also ensure consistent answers. For students, it provides support aligned with the courses, not generic AI advice. And while using Gemini apps inside Gmail requires a paid plan, students can still benefit from the app itself using a free account.